Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pay Disney Plus subscription fee with using your Gcash. To do this, what you have to do, first open your Play Store from your device. Now from here, tap on the profile icon from the top right, then select payments and subscription. Now from here, tap on payment methods. Now scroll down and you will see an option at Gcash. Tap on it. Now after adding it, go back to Disney Plus app and go to the option My Space. Here you will see an option subscribe. Just tap on it, and after tap on it, choose your package. Choose yearly or you can choose monthly package, or here you also two packages, basic or premium. Then tap on it, continue with premium. Then here you will see an option Gcash will be added. Just tap on subscribe, and that's it. That's how you can pay with Gcash for your Disney Plus subscription.